A few dozen volunteers are actually packing sandbags, doing their part here in the community. You can see over here where there was some damage from last year's storms that they still have yet to repair. It's been work in progress for some time. I'm actually walking on a whole area of brand new boards. Somewhat ironic how damage from last year still is not fixed, and a lot of this new work is just going to get torn up again. Several sections here along the boards. The machines haven't got to this area of the beach quite yet. They are making their way down the beach slowly. So you can see this is an open area of beach. In the distance you can see all the way down to 1/16 and beyond. People still playing handball and carrying on to their, the day-to-day tasks. Last year there actually was a section here in Rockaway that actually had a playground right by the boardwalk that was actually washed away by last year's storm. I'd like to thank Francis Locke for that chat input. Francis Locke is the owner of Fairly Odd Media, professional writing service. Thank you, Francis. If there's anything else you would like to share, because you seem to know a lot about Rockaway, please feel free to do so. I can actually read your comments live as I am broadcasting. You can continue walking around here. There seems to be another section of boardwalk that actually was damaged from last year and was never fixed. Another shot of the volunteer sandbagging brigade that was organized by Eric Ulrich, who is running for Senate. Seeing this little center island over here that the flowers are actually still blooming. Guarantee if I come back here tomorrow or in the next, once the storm actually hits, I'm sure all those pretty flowers will probably be torn off and just everywhere. The winds get really, really strong in this area. See up here is another section of the boardwalk that was damaged from last year's storm a year ago. Haven't even finished the repairs yet and already being hit with another storm that's going to be even more powerful than the one that hit last.